Hello friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. Today we'll talk about the famous Madhu temple of Kasaragod, Kerala. A journey to this village at Karnataka-Kerala border will introduce us to some good old famous temples. And one such temple is the Madhu temple. This is a popular Shiva and Ganpati temple located 7 km from Kasaragod town, on the banks of the locally known river Madhuvahini. Though the main deity of this temple is Lord Shiva, known as Mada Ananteshwara, meaning the god who killed Kama, the god of desires, but more importance is given to Lord Ganpati, who is installed facing south in the main sanctum itself. Priests of this temple belong to the Shivali Brahmin community. Madhu temple was originally Shiva temple, and the story goes like this. An old woman called Madaru from the local Tulu Mogar community discovered an Udbhava Murti of Shiva Linga, a statue that was not made by a human. Initially, the Ganesha picture was drawn by a boy on the southern wall of the Garbhagriha while playing. Day by day, the painting became big and fat. So the boy called Ganpati as Buddha Ganesha. The legends of Kumble say Tipu Sultan wanted to demolish the temple like Adur Mahalingeshwara temple during his invasion of Coorg, Tulunadu and Malabar. But after drinking water from the well of the temple, he changed his mind on attacking and demolishing the Garbhagudi and marched towards Malabar. But to satisfy his soldiers and Islamic scholars, he made a cut with his sword by symbolizing the attack. The mark is still visible on the building that is built around the temple well. The temple architecture is of three-tiered Gajapratishta type resembling the back of an elephant. One can also find beautiful wooden carvings depicting scenes from the Ramayana. The vast spacious gopurams give good ambience for the devotees to relax and enjoy the Ganesha's presence. The temple also offers Vedic classes to young children during summer vacation, which also include basics of Sanskrit. Devotees usually offer prayers to Mahaganapati in the form of Udyastamana Puja. Appam is Madhu's famous prasad. It is a very tasty preparation. This is prepared daily and anyone offering prayers can avail these at the counters. Among the special pujas that are performed, Sahasra Appam, 1000 appams, is very prominent. Madhu temple is one among the 6 ancient Ganesha temples of Konkan region. So do visit this shrine on a trip to Kasaragod or Mangalore. Hope you enjoyed our today's video on Madhu temple. Stay tuned for more such stories from Jyotishi.com.